Hey everyone, and this is our video about biomarkers. In a normal body cell, we have the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, there is the DNA. If a mutation occurs in the DNA, it could cause the cell to grow abnormally. The differences between each type of cancer are usually in the form of a single protein which is produced by the cell. For example, the differences can be found in the different levels of protein or different mutations of protein. Biomarkers are those proteins which then help the doctor decide which treatment is best for the patient. Our young scientist Jake Eindrucker, only aged 15 years old, initially identified a biomarker for pancreatic cancer. However, this also turned out to work for ovarian and lung cancer as well. It's called mesothelin, and when it is present in the blood in high concentration, it suggests that the patient has cancer. Additionally, white blood cells produce antibodies which target particular bacteria or viruses. They stick the pathogens together to make it easier for the white blood cells to engulf them. Each antibody is specific for each type of pathogen. They have antigen binding sites which connect to the specific antigens, which are unique molecules in the pathogen. Jack continued to develop his idea as he started thinking about carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are tiny cylinders which are 1/50,000th the diameter of a human hair. They also have amazing mechanical and electrical properties which Eindrucker refers to as the superheroes of material science. He thought of mixing mesothelin-specific antibodies in a network of carbon nanotubes which will cause the antibodies and the nanotubes to bind together, changing the electrical properties. Therefore, if filter paper is placed inside the mesothelin and carbon nanotube solution, it will get coated with the antibodies nanotube complex. The gaps between the nanotubes will begin to widen, causing a decrease in electroconductivity, which can be measured by using an ohm meter. Therefore, by adding a sample of blood on the filter paper, you would be able to conclude whether mesothelin is present by measuring its conductivity. However, tests are not available commercially yet. Eindrucker is working with companies to refine the product in hope of selling it over the counter one day. He is working and hoping to have it available in 2-3 years with his team of scientists.